If you're a NetSuite user looking to unlock manufacturing functionality with this powerful platform, you've come to the right place. Meet blendAPPS. In a past life, we were NetSuite users in the process manufacturing industry, and we've worked tirelessly to develop native NetSuite solutions to make your life easier. The key is to define the relationship between all of your products. Blend establishes formulations and their packouts into cohesive units called product families. This allows you to easily produce, consume, and report on every item. Our formula management tool allows you to enter your formula or recipe and define your various container sizes from a single screen, driving the creation of multiple NetSuite records without having to do any of the math yourself. Batch manufacturing and repackaging takes that concept one step further. We understand that you might meet your demand by making stuff, repackaging stuff, or a combination of both. If you make stuff, then Batch is the tool for you. Select the formula and see all the demand in the system for items in that product family. Create a batch work order which can include a variety of finished goods to meet customer demand from various customers and have the option to top up your batch tank with products for stock. Repack offers ultimate flexibility with your finished goods. Turn a chemical tote into X drums and Y pails with a repack work order, or decant multiple finished goods back into a bulk tank. Inspecting raw materials? Inspecting finished goods? Generating certificates of analysis? We can do that. Doing all of this from the shop floor? Absolutely. You can't control what you can't see. Our drag and drop manufacturing scheduler helps visualize your production bottlenecks and opportunities. There's automatic precedence detection, custom color coding rules, and a read-only view to be displayed on employee dashboards or a large TV on your production floor. Generate labels with the click of a button from transactions, items, or any other record in NetSuite. Whether you use Bartender or Nice Label, we've got you covered. Improve regulatory compliance with one-click hazmat bills of ladings and automatic communication of safety data sheets. We don't care what you make, we care how you make it. That's why we developed blendAPPS, the first and only built-for-NetSuite native solution for people who make stuff. blendAPPS, built for NetSuite, made for you.